Are you frustrated by changing the margin and padding on your page? Don't worry, the EComposer spacing setting has you covered. The EComposer spacing setting allows merchants like you to adjust margin and padding of some specific element components and sections. The margin is the space outside of your element or section that pushes the other elements around it further away when increased. The padding is the space on the inside of the border of your element or section that when increased pushes the element itself further in. In today's video, you will learn about how you can set up margin and padding fast and easily using EComposer. So firstly, from Shopify admin, click on App, then choose EComposer Builder to open EComposer. If you're new with EComposer, find the app link in the video description box and install now. Now, let's go ahead to the EComposer page editor. Here, I'm using a EComposer homepage template named Fashion Fusion. If your business is in another niche, just select among 400 page and 1000 section layouts from different industries. First, we will learn about how to set up the spacing for a section. Choose to edit a section. In the Settings panel, choose Advanced tab, then you can see the spacing setting option is located on the top of this section settings column. There are two areas in the EComposer spacing section. The inside layer is for padding resize, and the outside is for margin settings. I'm gonna start changing the section's padding. There are two ways to adjust the padding value. You can hover to a side you want to change, for example, the left side, then press your mouse to increase or decrease the value. Or you can click on the minus symbol, then either pick on the existing numbers here or set your own value. Do the same way to set up your section margin. Like mentioned above, with some complex elements including many components, you can see the EComposer spacing feature can be displayed in some items. For example, you can see in the text marquee, the EComposer spacing settings appears in the text design settings. Now, I will spend a few seconds adjusting my text marquee's margin and padding to improve this element's UI. One special feature of EComposer's spacing settings is that you can link all padding and margin values to be the same. Simply click on the link icon in the middle of the spacing settings. Then, change the size on one side, and the other sides will automatically adjust to the same value. An important note for you that some padding and margin you use on desktop is unnecessary on tablet or mobile view. So, although the EComposer mobile page is responsive, in some cases you have to adjust manually padding or margin on mobile devices. Let me make it clear by showing you some examples. I have a section here that is set to 100 pixels to top and bottom padding on the desktop mode, and now I switch to mobile view. You can see the padding of this section displayed on mobile view is too large. That's why you need to adjust the padding and margin to make the section display better. Another example, on desktop, I will add a button here and add a left margin to it. Go ahead and switch to mobile view. The button disappears, but if you remove the margin you set on the mobile, the button will be right here on the page editor. And remember that the change you do with EComposer spacing setting on mobile, tablet, and desktop will not affect other devices. That is the end of EComposer's spacing settings tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.